I'm about to say two dirty words. Regulation and legislation is coming to crypto soon. It is. However you feel about it, love it, hate it, makes you want to leave the country, whatever, it's happening. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just here to tell you what's going on. My name is Austin. I'm making this video for the ClearCryptos channel because I love this project, love this company, and want to support their YouTube channel. I have my own channel, by the way. That's my name right there. Go check it out. If you want to go find my channel as well, you can do so. I make crypto content every single day. Regulation, and legislation is coming soon. We all know it is. Look, here's the deal. Biden administration to establish cryptocurrency legal framework in the coming months. I don't need to go into any more than that title. Because here is the reality. It is coming. It is inevitable. It is like death and taxes. It is going to happen. Whether you like it or not, it's already here. You already need to report your profits on any crypto trades that you make that are profitable, just like you do in the stock market. I'm a 32+ year stock investor. I've always had to report my profits over there. Cryptos is the same, right? But regulation in a positive way is the secret to helping crypto dramatically expand and grow. And I'm not saying I want it. I'm a fan of it. I'm not a pro-government in this statement. That's not my point. My point is, if you look at just the facts, is that there is tens, maybe even hundreds of trillions of dollars sitting on the sidelines, so to speak, that wants to come into and is waiting to come into crypto. They're waiting for one thing: regulation, because regulation will clean up crypto. Air quotes are intended. Okay. I think crypto is just fine. Is it volatile? Yes, it is. Is it the Wild West in certain areas? Yes, it is. Is it regulated? I mean, is it great in certain areas? Yes, it is. It is all of the above. But regulation is what we need so that the financial institutions, just like Charles Schwab and Fidelity and all these big financial institutions, so that they could turn around to their millions of clients and say, hey, why don't you maybe think about putting 1% or 2% of your portfolio in crypto? Get a little bit of that over there. They want to be selling crypto to their clients. They simply cannot yet because crypto is not regulated. Am I a fan of the decentralized nature of crypto, the blockchain, and all this kind of? Absolutely. I'm not minimizing that, but I'm talking about the opportunity here because we are early, right? And by being early, we're here early. There's so much money to be made in crypto when regulation comes in. Overnight, it will double, triple when regulation hits. Is it going to be easy? Nope. Is it going to be painful? Yep. Is it inevitable? Yeah, it's going to happen. There you go. Give me your opinions. Drop in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe to the channel. We'll see you.